Like Vethor, each cryptographic money attempts to separate itself in the market as far as utility and in offering imaginative use cases. In any case, regardless of how significant a token may be, the cost of the resource stays one of the most grounded determinants of its drawn-out potential. While numerous tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum have ruled the general market, new tokens keep on ending up versatile in handling blockchain issues and augmenting utility. Among these new tokens is the Vethor token Vtho. This is a badge of the exceptionally praised vechain organization. Notwithstanding, is claiming Vtho thought about a wise venture for your portfolio? What are the basics of these tokens, and what are the cost estimates for Vtho tokens before long? What is Vethor token Vtho? Vethor token is one piece of a multi-token arrangement of the vechain blockchain, another part being the vechain. They're both the local and administration badge of the blockchain that was made in 2015 by Bright Lou. The vechain blockchain means to make a well-disposed stage for organizations to take care of the drugs of their undertaking. The vechain, a blockchain that permits the clients to sell true issues and oversee supply facets, was at first made to help just the vechain token Vet as its local token. The two-symbolic construction gives it an edge over other hereditary stages since it makes the organization quicker and more powerful in handling chain exchanges. The blockchain likewise works with an agreement instrument known as Proof of Authority (POA), which runs on power hubs picked by the vechain their starting point for approval of exchanges. The chain uses open source plan which draws in information engineers to share their thoughts and construct the blockchain with their aggregate endeavors. After the affirmation of an exchange by the hub organization, 30% of the exchange worth is returned while the other 70% is scorched from the stock. Vet stays the fundamental token for paying out to the power hubs for the processing power utilized, while the Vtho is utilized as the token for settling the expense of the Vethor blockchain exchange. The different elements of these two tokens, Vet and Vethor Vtho, empower the smooth organization of savvy contracts, assistance of exchanges, and avoidance of dangers. Vet tokens are the essential tokens in the formation of Vtho, while Vtho is utilized in vechain exchange costs. Vechain likewise has the elements that permit multi-party exchanges and controllable exchanges with various errands. Vethor is at present worth $9.842. Vtho has moved 251% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,562,780. Vethor is as of now positioned 241 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $294,989.83 ST. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Vethor Vtho to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Vethor Vtho market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Vethor Vtho Value Forecast 2023. Vethor, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Vtho. The Vtho cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $5763. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $15379 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Vtho is supposed to have a base worth of $846. Vethor Vtho Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Vethor Vtho cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Vtho will before long outperform $9,965. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Vtho's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Vtho will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $9,7684 and a typical exchanging cost of $9,8452. Vethor Vtho Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $13447 and Vtho might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Vtho is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $12294 and a low of $11526 in 2025. Vethor Vtho Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Vethor effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Vtho coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Vtho will be green in 2026. The Vtho is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.17289, with a base cost of $0.15368 and a typical cost of $0.16137. Vtho value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Vtho cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.19979 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.19210 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Vtho has a greatest value worth of $0.1131. Vtho value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $0.3821. On the off chance that Vtho figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.4973. Neglecting to accumulate the help Vtho needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.8352. Vtho value forecast 2029. While Vtho is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.26894 and a yearly cost close above $0.815 in 2029. Vtho value forecast 2030. By 2030, Vethor will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.736 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.32657, averaging out at $0.3155. End. Vethor token has great long-haul venture potential. With more entry of financial backers, organizations, and new clients, the reception is projected to be monstrous. Likewise, because of the tremendous local area and a very much prepared group, the venture has every one of the essentials it requires to prevail from now on. Vtho is a flexible symbolic that handles perhaps of the greatest issue in actual item, the executives, which is duplication. It'll assist with decreasing fakes in numerous areas and furthermore empower a quicker capability of the production network. What is the Vtho cost today? Today, Vtho is exchanging at $0.3842 with a complete market capitalization of $294.1989.83. Is Vethor a wise venture? Vethor ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that Vtho is a decent decision of venture. How high might Vethor at any point go? The typical cost of Vtho might perhaps reach $0.5379 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Vethor might outperform $0.049